Advanced parole is no longer an option for a lot of DACA recipients. The BIA issued a presidential decision today on August 13th called Matter of Delcarmen-Lara. And the way the case works is you can still travel under advanced parole, and advanced parole will still give you your valid entry that you need for a family petition. It will still do that, but it will not forgive unlawful presence. It will not allow you to leave the United States and come back and not trigger an unlawful presence inadmissibility bar. In order to qualify for a family petition, you need three things basically. The first thing is a family petition. The second thing is a valid entry. Advanced parole still does this under this case. It provides you with a paroled entry. But the third thing is you cannot be inadmissible. And inadmissibility means you can't have a criminal history, a severe one. You can't have committed some type of fraud, and you cannot have triggered one of the bars that are triggered by unlawful presence. In 1996, we created the 3 and 10-year bars. If you have 6 months of unlawful presence, and that is time that you are without status, with no pending applications, and you're over the age of 18. If you have 6 months of unlawful presence and you leave or depart the United States, you are inadmissible for 3 years. If you have a year of unlawful presence and you leave, you're admissible for 10. If you have an admissibility bar, it doesn't matter that you have a family member to petition you. It doesn't matter that you have a valid entry. You cannot get your green card because of that inadmissibility bar. Now, advanced parole was not used as a method of exiting the country and not triggering these bars. Since 1996, all the way up until 2012, traveling under advanced parole could trigger inadmissibility bars based off unlawful presence. But in 2012, the BIA came up with a new presidential decision, and they decided that the term departed is not defined in the Immigration Nationality Act. So they provided a definition based on the standard dictionary definition, which means to leave and not intend to come back. Because advanced parolees intend to come back, you cannot really say that they departed. And that was their logic behind, in 2012, issuing matter of Arabelli Yarabelli, which is a 2012 decision that says that if you leave under advanced parole, you have not departed, so you have not triggered the bars. If today's case does anything, it shows how political the BIA can be. They have recognized that for the past 14 years, people have left and come back, have not triggered bars, and have gotten their valid entries. They recognize this, and they're changing it anyway. Good thing is that this is not retroactive. If you already have your advanced parole entry, you did not trigger a 10-year or any type of bar because you were going under the old 2012 BIA decision's interpretation. This will only affect people that leave today on August 13th and in the future. Thanks for listening. If you want to see a full article on this decision, go to The Migration on Substack.